If you can able to hear me now, you just post I can hear you, Sanjay, in your live chat. I think you can able to hear me now, right? So hello guys, hello everyone. I'm warmly welcoming you all for this YSB and Pantech Solutions, and I'm welcoming you all for this AI Masterclass series day 1. So in this session we are going to have introduction to artificial intelligence, and we are also going to create a chatbot. So I hope you guys are really excited to have the session now. So before that, I would like to welcome the people present here. So Kalyan, hi, Crunch, hi, and Sandeep, hi, and Kailash, and Vivek Raja, EC Spartans, hi, good evening, and Om Kumar, hi, good evening, and Amit Shakya, hi, good evening. Okay, so voice clear. Okay, so I think now you can able to hear me. Syed, hi, Tamil Beats, hi. Okay, so and Aya, hi, and Niharika, hi, and Vijay, hi. Can you able to hear me, guys? If you can able to hear me now, you just post. I can hear Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, can you able to hear me, guys? If you can able to hear me, you just post. I can hear you, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so can you able to hear me? Can you able to hear me, guys? Is it audible? So if it is audible, you just post it's audible, Sanjay, in your live chat. So is it audible, guys? Is it audible? Guys, is it audible? If it is audible, you just post it's audible, Sanjay, in your live chat. Hello, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So can you able to hear me now? Can you able to hear me, guys? Give me a sec. I'll just check it out once again. Can you able to hear me, guys? Is it audible? Is it audible? Hello, guys. Is it audible now? Is it audible now? If it is audible now, you just post it's audible now, Sanjay, in your live chat. So yes. So let us come to the session. Okay, so I think is it audible now? Because I'm getting some people are telling audible and some people are telling not audible. Is it audible? Is it audible, guys? So hello everyone, is it audible now? If it is audible now, you just post it's audible, Sanjay, in your live chat. Yes, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I think I'm getting some more delay in my audible, the live chats which is happening there. So that is the problem. I think you guys have got it now. So let us go to the session, guys. And before going on to the session, I would like to tell something to you. So what is the thing is, guys, this session is not gonna be the usual thing which is happening in our other YouTube channels, because in there it is happening like instructor used to teach, and they used to teach theoretical, they used to teach everything, and it is going to be completely one-sided. But here we are gonna have very interactive session. So mutually it is gonna have very interactive. Okay, so I hope you guys are super excited and super ready to join in this session. If you are super excited to create a chatbot and to do a lot of application in this 30 days, you just post I'm super excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. So first of all, before going on to the session, I really want to clarify, I really want to give some information to you, because this is not being taught by anywhere else. It is not being taught in schools. It is not being taught in anywhere. So that's why I really want to show some information to you. So what is that thing is, people, so whenever you guys are in the field of learning, so in the field of learning, in the sense, like even though you are a student, even though you are a professor, even though you are a faculty, so definitely we need to upgrade our skills, right? So otherwise you won't be got into a new job, or you can't able to hold your job, right? So on that aspects, people used to face a lot of problems. So problems in learning, because as in the century, people used to face a lot of problems. Okay, so on those problems, I would like to list out some of the problems which has been faced by the people. So for an example, first of all, whenever there are more content, people won't learn. All right. So whenever there is more content, definitely people won't learn. And second thing, if it is having very difficulties, for an example, if I'm teaching it in a very hard terminologies, If without I'm teaching scratch, definitely you won't learn, right? So this time, people used to get some kind of thoughts which is running in your mind. So what is prerequisites? Even I don't have enough knowledge or skills. Shall I continue the session? Will you teach it from the scratch? Is it running in your mind, guys? If it is running in your mind, you just post yes, Sanjay, in a live chat. Yes. So people, whenever we used to learn something, it need to be very simple and easy, right? So if it is hard, definitely you won't learn. And if there are less application, for an example, people used to give some courses. On that courses, there is only 2 or 3 projects which they can able to develop. So definitely it is really hard to come up with very less projects. And even though you guys have completed a certain course, you can't able to build the project by yourself. Definitely it is waste of learning, right? So if there is no, if there is very less application, definitely you can't learn. And then not interactive. So if the session is not interactive, if you can't able to interact with your instructor, definitely you will be feeling boring. And if the content is not precise, definitely you will feel boring, right? So how many of you people are agree to this point? So these are all the points where people used to face, like people can't able to learn. Whenever you are start learning something, okay, so I'm gonna be finishing AI. I really want to become an AI engineer. I want to become a programmer. So whenever we are starting up with some kind of fire in our mind, so whenever we used to learn, we used to face this kind of problem. If you can able to hear this, if you can able to agree this, these are all the problems in me, you just post I agree, Sanjay, in your live chat. Yes. So, and further, people used to say, Sanjay, problem is lack of information. Actually, I'm telling you guys, problem is not a lack of information. So why I'm telling that problem is not a lack of information is because if you are going into the Google or in a YouTube, if you are typing artificial intelligence, machine learning or deep learning in a Google, you used to get millions and millions of results. That really shows that problem is not a lack of information. The problem is information overload. Okay, so while talking about that problem where there are a lot of information which has got overloaded, so whenever it is getting overloaded, people used to get confused from where I can learn. In one channel something is different, in another source something is different. So people used to face this kind of problem. So that's why again I'm telling you, problem is not a lack of information, problem is information overload. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting their response. Jayan, Sharvanan, and Ismet Singh, and Pratyusha, Syed, and Anand Kumar. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your lovely response. So, problem is not a lack of information. Problem is information overload. What actually people need is a clear-cut, precise, and focused implementation with clear mentorship. This is what actually people need. So, you may think why Sanjay is talking about this. Because in this 30 days, you are not going to learn theoretical. You are not going to learn like boring usual stuff. Instead, in the 30 days, you are going to build a lot of projects. So that is why we are introducing a way of learning which is application-based learning. So what does mean by application-based learning? It's simple, guys. Whenever people used to learn something, if you are doing it with a project, you can able to learn in a very effective way. So that is why we are introducing this application-based learning. So while talking about this, for an example, if you are talking about like if you are if you are going to learn something, for an example, in this application-based learning, how you are going to learn is you are going to learn a concept. Okay, what is the concept is? Is it a machine learning or is it algorithm or is it a deep learning? Anything. Okay, concept or algorithm. So first of all, you are going to learn this, and you are going to learn a programming syntax, and you are going to build a project. Okay, so for those complete 30 days, you are going to learn everything based on the application. So definitely, I hope you're going to enjoy this complete 30 days. So our mission is to serve crores and millions of people in the field of learning. And in this 30 days, you will be learning, first of all, it is being segregated into very important topics under the category of AI. So first of all, we are going to have introduction to AI. And then second day, we are going to move on to the Python and libraries installing Pythons and those stuffs. And then we are moving on to the computer vision. So projects such as like moving object detection, face detection, object tracking, face recognition, face emotion recognition, and etc. And then we are moving on to the machine learning. On that, we are going to evaluate different machine learning projects and projects such as like fake news detection, AI snake game design, and etc. And under deep learning, that we have a lot of projects like object recognition, image classification, hand gesture recognition, leaf distance detection. So once you are completing it, you are gonna have more than 15 to 20 plus final year project, guys. Okay, so and finally we are gonna moving on to the natural language processing, which is going to be helpful for chatbots and those stuffs. And final day, we are going to have the session about cloud-based AI. So there are a lot of clouds available, like Amazon Web Service or Microsoft Azure. So those kind of cloud, we are going to have an idea, and finally, we are going to get an idea about the hardwares. So what are all the hardwares you can able to use it to use it to deploy the artificial intelligence application. Okay, so these are all the stuff you are going to learn. And another main thing, yes, it is about me, myself, Sanjay. I'm working as a product manager in Pantech Solutions. My technological expertise, which is about, first of all, I started my career on working with brain-computer interface technology. And then I just moved on to artificial intelligence. Before that, I just moved on to embedded system design. I just worked on 8051 and ARM microcontroller and Internet of Things. And then I just moved on to blockchain little bit and artificial intelligence, and under the category like machine learning, deep learning, as well as Raspberry Pi kind of AI based hardware as well, and NVIDIA kind of hardware as well. And finally, I'm just currently working on autonomous robot design. So, are you guys all really excited to know about this complete data science and AI and those stuff? Because for a lot of people, something running in their mind. So, for an example, people used to ask some of the doubts like, Sanjay, what is the difference between ML and DL? Sanjay, what is the difference between data analytics and data science? Sanjay, what is the difference between computer vision and the deep learning? So people used to have a lot of things which is running in their mind. So for you also, if it is running in your mind, you just post yes, Sanjay in your live chat. Because we are going to be clearing out every doubt which is present in inside you. Okay. So before going on to the session further, there is a notice. You just want to stay till the end so that only you are going to get every day's material as daily basis. You just want to attend the complete day because it is going to be recorded by our portal. So with the help of that, we are going to watch out who are the people who watch the complete session. So for those people only, we are going to send every day's material. Okay, so I hope you guys have got it, and I hope you guys are eager to learn. If you are eager to learn, you just post ETL and you just post fire emojis in the live chat to spread some positivity. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are giving the response. Saurabh Kumar, Vasundra, Banu, and Brindul, and Jayashri, Niraj Kumar, Sadwin, and Munishwar, and Devesh, Shobana, and Ashwin, and Tushar. Hello, guys. Thank you so much. There are a lot of people are posting yes, yes, yes. Wonderful. So before going on to this learning what is mean by data science, AI, and those stuffs, let us begin with some lovely interaction. So you guys tell me, what is your favorite AI based movies? Okay, there are a lot of AI movies, right? So like Iron Man, you can tell. So likewise, you guys tell me what are all the artificial intelligence movies which you guys have watched so far and which you really love. Okay, so you just ping your answers in the live chat. Let us see who are all going to give the answers. Okay, so awesome experience. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Who's that awesome experience? Personally files. That person who given the response like awesome experience. Thank you so much, guys. Let us spread some load of positivity here and that vibe here. Thank you so much. Okay, so a lot of people are posting yes, yes, and a lot of fire emojis are there. A lot of positivity is spreading. A lot of this energetic vibration is spreading towards the complete people who are all out there. Iron Man, exactly. Robo 2.0, and what are the movies, guys? Marvel movies, exactly. And Terminator, yes. And Robo, and The Free Guy, yes. It is a new movie. I think a lot of people watched. Interstellar, yes. Super good movie. Transcendence, wonderful movie. Yes, there are a lot of movies. Age of Ultron, Wall-E, Inception, and Indiran, yes. There are a lot of movies, guys. There are Ready Player One, wonderful movie, and Ex Machina, it is really exceptional movie. Wonderful, guys, wonderful. Thank you so much for giving me the reply. Okay, so in each and every movies, what we used to tell, like what we used to see, people used to create some movies, right? So people used to create some robots, right? So whenever you are observing that AI, what is the main core point we used to observe is, it is going to perform very much faster and very much intelligent than a human being. That's the exact thing. So it will do the calculation very faster, it will do every action faster, and it will make a decision very faster, and it can see that vision processing is also going to be very good than the human being. Still now it is not been achieved by the human made robots, but in movies they have shown really very good. People used to see that robot used to see behind a wall as well. So likewise, there are a lot of intelligence which it gains by us or gained by itself automatically. So let us imagine, guys. Okay, let us bring each and every people to the imagination world. So let us take some people. So here we have Manish and Neelam Singh and Daksh Yadav and Sakshyam and Rupa is here. So Rupa, let us take each and every people. You just imagine you are going to create a robot like you. For an example, Rupa is going to create a robot like her. So what is the first thing needed, guys? So how you are behaving. Okay, so you are going to create a robot like you. So how you are behaving. So like how you will walk, how you will eat, how you run, how you speak. So likewise, you have some certain individual ability as well as you have individual style. So as a human being, if you are going to create a robot like you, what you will do is you used to transfer your knowledge or your experience, your style to the computer or a robot in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn. Are you guys are clear? Okay. As a human being, we need to transfer our knowledge or our experience or our style to the robot in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. That is known as AI. Are you guys are clear? If you are clear, you just post I'm clear, Sanjay, in the live chat. If you are not clear, you just post not clear. Okay, so I'm repeating again. As you are a people, you are going to transfer your knowledge. There are three parts: your knowledge or your experience or your style to the robot in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. That is known as artificial intelligence. Okay, so here, for an example, if I'm having an object like if this is the object, what you will tell? This is the mobile phone, right? So you will tell this is a mobile phone, and if you have seen this thing, you will tell this is a water bottle. How you are telling? Because from your childhood, you guys have seen lot of objects, right? You guys have seen a lot of objects, right? So whenever, for an example, if you are talking or if you are showing Nokia 110, so how many of you people use the Nokia 110 mobile phone? If you guys have used, you just post use this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so you guys people, so most of the people, so some people might saw on that Nokia 110 mobile phone and they guys have used for an example just nothing but keypad mobile phones, and then you guys have used touchscreen mobile phones, and then you guys are using the full infinity display mobile phones, right? So you have the knowledge, even though you are seeing a keypad mobile phones, you will tell that is a mobile phone. But if you are showing that part, that Nokia 110 to the newborn baby, they will definitely throw away, right? They won't agree to that tell that is a mobile phone. So that is the thing. So if your age is 28, for the 28 years, you guys have seen lot of variety of mobile phones, lot variety of water bottles. You guys have smelled a lot of smells, and you guys have tasted a lot of foods, and you guys have sensed a lot of sensings like climate or touching, so anything. So you guys have sensed a lot of that. So it is not knowledge is not only about studying physics, chemistry knowledge, physics knowledge, maths knowledge. The knowledge is also going to include the taste. What are all the knowledge which you have regarding taste, and what are all the objects which you guys have watched so far, and what are all the fruits, vegetables, or objects which you guys have watched so far, and how many of you dishes you guys have tasted, and what are all the senses you guys have experienced before. So everything is a knowledge. Okay, so what is the thing is, so by based on that's why I told you that terminology. So as a human being, you need to transfer your knowledge or your experience and as well as your style to the robot in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn. So that is the AI, guys. Okay, so I hope you are clear. So learn from the data, and it is going to helpful for solving a certain problem. And then data and then concept. So let us compare it with the human being, guys. Okay, so let us compare it with the human being. For an example, first of all, what are all the human abilities are there? First of all, the first ability, human can analyze, identifying a pattern and making a decision. So for an example, you just tell me what is going to be your emoji whenever your neighborhood is cooking biryani or some of your favorite food. You just post your emojis in the live chat. Okay, because whenever you are sensing that wonderful smell, you used to find out what is the dishes. Right, so how many of you people are there? So you used to find out what is the dishes exactly. So you have that analyzing skill. So you used to analyze the smell, and you used to identifying a pattern between the smell, and then you will make a decision. Okay, so that is what the human have. So you are analyzing, identifying a pattern, and making a decision. So this ability, so if you want to transfer this ability to a human being, so if you want to transfer this ability to a human being, we can use the method, the data in the format of numerical data, and by using the method called machine learning and deep learning, we can able to train it. Okay, are you clear? Okay, so what we are going to do is, so for an example, if you are going to transfer that analyzing, identifying a pattern, making decision, this ability to a robot, we can use the numerical data, and the concept is going to be machine learning or deep learning. And second thing, what is the second ability of the human being is human can listen and speak, right? So for an example, while talking about that, so you just tell me guys, what is the common thing which we need to have a mutual communication? So that is my question. You just give a response in the live chat. Let us see who is going to give the answers. Okay. So what is the common thing which we need to have between the common communication? Okay. So human can able to listen and speak, right? So for that they need to understand what the person is speaking, and they need to form the reply and to reply back. So if you want to transfer this ability to the robot, so we are going to use the text data and the methods such as like machine learning and natural language processing, we can able to train it. And third ability of the human being, of course, like listening, seeing and recognizing, right? So if you are seeing this, you will tell this is a water bottle. So for you, if you are for an example, if you want to transfer this ability to a robot, the data is going to be in the format of image data, and by using the method called computer vision and deep learning, we are going to train it. Okay, are you clear? So I'm going to repeat you again. So first of all, while talking about AI, it is like by using, so as a human being, we need to transfer our knowledge or our experience or our style in the format of data. From the data, the robot is going to learn and it is going to act. And then we are gonna see some of the abilities of the human being. Let us comparing, because if you are going to create a robot like a human being, so first ability is analyzing, identifying a pattern and making a decision. So if you want to transfer this ability to a robot, we can use the methods called machine learning and deep learning. Here the data may be any data, especially moreover it will be like numerical data, because if you want to transfer that sensing ability, so in our people, we used to have the nose and tongue for tasting and smelling, right? So if you want to transfer that ability to a robot, we can put up a sensor, right? So likewise, so that is the first part, analyzing, identifying a pattern. The data is going to be a numerical data, and method is going to be machine learning or deep learning. That is the first ability of the human being to the robot. And second thing, human can listen and speak. So if you want to transfer this ability to a robot, so what we can do is we are going to have a data like text or audio data, and the method called machine learning or deep learning and natural language processing. With the help of that, we can able to transfer that ability. That is the second part. And third part, where human can able to see and recognize. If you want to see and recognize, if you want to transfer that ability to a robot, we are gonna have the data in the format of image or video, and the concept is going to be computer vision and then deep learning. Okay, now you guys have got clear idea. Okay, machine learning and deep learning, which is going to be moreover, it is going to be helpful for decision making, and computer vision, which is going to be helpful for analyzing an images, and natural language processing is going to be helpful for analyzing a text data, and numerical data you can process it anywhere. Okay, so these are all the three spots, guys. Okay, so I hope you all really love this explanation. If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so these are all the things. Artificial intelligence. So first of all, we have AI, artificial intelligence. Inside that we have machine learning. Machine learning is the subset of AI, and deep learning we got inside the machine learning, which is like deep learning is the subset of the machine learning. Okay, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and then deep learning. Are you clear? Okay, if you are super satisfied, if you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Now, let us talk about some steps. Guys, Sanjay, if you are asking, Sanjay, if I want to start an AI application, if you want to start developing an AI application, what are all the steps I need to carry over? So if that is the doubt which is running in your mind, so first thing, thank you so much, Triggered Insan for posting, yes, I love it. And Abdullah Hayes, thank you so much. And Jagan, thank you so much. And Mohana Rangan, thank you so much. And Achu, thank you so much. And Rama Subramanian, thank you. And Aryan, thank you so much for posting. Absolutely fabulous. There are a lot of people are posting. I love this, guys. Thank you so much. And Abdullah Aziz, thank you so much. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. Okay. So now let us begin with how we are going to build develop a project. Number one, we need to collect the data, guys. For an example, if you want to recognize mobile and water bottle, okay, if you want to recognize a mobile and water bottle, you used to collect the data. That is the first step. We need to collect, like for an example, 10,000 images of mobile, 10,000 images of water bottle. So that is the first step we need to carry over. Okay. So and then second step, what is the second step we need to carry over is data preparation. So like data cleaning or data transformation that need to be done. That is the second step. And third step, choosing a model. So model is nothing but a concept or algorithm, concept and algorithm. Okay. Are you choosing machine learning or are you going for deep learning? Or what are all the algorithms you are going to choose? That is the third step. And fourth step, training. So once you guys, a model has been chosen, once your pre-processing, everything has been done, we need to do the training. So once the training has been completed, it will give you some results. But now we need to evaluate our training process. What is the accuracy of the model? What is the loss of the model? Okay, if the accuracy is not good, we need to go for the steps again to choose different algorithms, again train, again evaluate. Again change the model, train, again evaluate. So likewise, we just want to work on it until you are getting the better results. So once you got some of the results, if you are not still satisfied, even though if you got 96.6% accuracy, if you want to improve your accuracy, you can tune some of the parameters like changing epochs, or definitely you'll learn later. So we are going to tune some of the parameters so that we can get up the results to 99.1% accuracy even. So that is what the parameter tuning. And seventh day we are moving, sorry, in the seventh part we are going to move into the prediction, because everything has been done. My accuracy is good, and once the training has been completed, I used to get some output. The model will be saved, and by using the model, we are going to deploy the AI application. This is what the complete flow, guys. First of all, we need to gather a data, and we need to prepare a data, and we need to choose a model and train, evaluate, parameter training, and prediction. Okay, can we get this material? Yes, of course. The people who are all going to stay till the end, those people are only going to get the materials. Okay, so are you guys are clear? If you are super clear with this, you just post super clear Sanjay in your live chat. Now, I would like to give some ideas. Okay, so the data scientist and everything, let us have in the next session, because we are having less time. But I really want to show something to you. So how to become? First of all, let us explore, guys. But even though we don't have time, but it is really essential. So there are so first of all, let us talk about this. While talking about the data analyst, guys, first of all, I'll talk about this. Let us take an example. You are going to work as a data analyst in automobile company. Okay, so they are having some previous year's data. So as you are a data analyst, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to acquire the data. Acquisition is nothing but they may save the data in databases or anywhere else. You are going to acquire the data. So data acquisition. And then data transformation. So if you want to data in a different format, you just want to transform the data. So data transformation. And then data cleaning. If you really want to know, if you want to remove unwanted data, we need to remove unwanted data. So that is data cleaning. And then we just want to do the data visualization. So graph between sales and those stuff, we need to do the data visualization. And finally, we are going to give the end results, like we are going to give some results like this is the past graph. In each and every month, we used to get the sales. Likewise, we need to give a lot of suggestion to the business. So that is the role of data analyst. We will work on this on the process. Data acquisition, data transformation, data cleaning, data visualization. These are the role of a data analyst, guys. Okay, as you are a data analyst, it's a little bit machine learning you can combine with it. Okay, with the help of that, you are going to do that data analysis. So that is the role of data analyst. Okay, that is the first study, data analytics. And second study, where you have a lot of focus or more knowledge on machine learning and deep learning is also needed, because you need to work on start to end as well. So data acquisition, data transformation, data cleaning, and data visualization, and choosing the best algorithm, machine learning or deep learning. And finally, you should to predict the results. In 2025, this is going to be our profit. This is going to be our huge sale report. So likewise, we need to predict the results. Whether this customer is going to buy this product. So likewise, you just want to predict the results and you just want to tell the management. That is the role of data scientist, guys, where you need to have every skills. So let us see what are the skills we need to have as you are want to become a data scientist. Okay. So first of all, you need to have a skills about Excel. You may have, Is it Excel? Yes. Because Excel is the very important tool on handling data, guys. Okay, except the image data. Excel is the very important tool to handle data. So that is the first tool you need to master. And then statistical skills. Statistical is the backbone of a data scientist. I think you guys have studied in your school days. Mean, median, standard deviation. How many of you guys remember that? If you remember that, you just post, I remember Sanjay in a live chat. So that is the statistical skills. And then Python. While talking about the programming languages, I would like to tell that thing. So there are two programming languages really popular. One is Python and R. You can also go for C++ itself. But while comparing with this programming languages, Python is going to be very easy and very easy to write as well as deploy. So that is why Python is going to be chosen. So Python is the best programming language I used to suggest. And then we need to work on data visualization libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, or you can also use it in the Excel as well. In Excel as well, you can also do the data visualization and business intelligence tools. That is the another skills which we need. So before that, NumPy and Pandas library, which is going to be helpful for processing data, which is one of the Python libraries, and business intelligence tools. This is like Power BI or Tableau. Some of the BI tools are there. So with the help of that, we can able to process the data. And then database skills like MySQL or MongoDB, like SQL skills also we needed, and machine learning skills and deep learning. Before they won't ask deep learning knowledge, but nowadays they are asking deep learning skills as well. So these are all the roadmap to become a complete data scientist. So in between, there are a lot of options, guys. You can also become computer vision engineer directly. You can also become deep learning engineer directly. You can become a machine learning engineer directly. You can become data analytics directly. So apart from that, if you are getting the complete knowledge here, and additionally, you can also add like hardware knowledge. Okay, so hardware knowledge in the sense real-time deployment of AI application in hardware. So these are all the roadmap to become a data scientist, guys. I hope now you guys have got a super clear idea about what are all the skills you need to get to become the complete data scientist, and you guys have already seen the differences between data analyst and data scientist as well. So while talking about the job roles, there are a lot of job roles which you can able to apply for, like sales analyst, operation analyst, customer success analyst, market research analyst, a marketing analyst, business analyst, machine learning engineer, data architect, data scientist, statistician, machine learning engineer, and data administrator, etc. There are a lot of stuff we can able to apply for. Okay, so I hope you guys have got clear idea about the studies, guys. If you guys have got clear idea about these studies, you just post bulb on Sanjay in your right chat. Okay, because it is really showing that you have got a clear idea. Okay, so I'll have a quick overview. So I hope you are with me. So if you are with me, you just post I'm with you, Sanjay in your live chat. First of all, on talking about AI, it is about the data. So from the data, it is going to learn and it's going to make an action. It is going to do some action. So that is what AI. Under that, we have there are a lot of sub concepts like computer vision and deep learning. Moreover, it is going to be helpful for processing images, and machine learning. It is also going to be helpful for images as well as other data, and natural language processing, which is mostly focused on chatbot creation as well as as well as like voice assistants. I hope you guys all know what is meant by voice assistants. So this is going to be very really helpful NLP. So concepts such as, first of all, machine learning, computer vision, deep learning, natural language processing. These are all the very important concepts under AI. And then we guys have seen the steps to create AI. And then we guys have seen what is the difference between data analyst and data scientist, and what are all the job roles, and what is the roadmap to become the complete data scientist. In between, you can also become a machine learning engineer. So once you become a machine learning engineer, you can start exploring other concepts like Excel, BI tools to become a data scientist at the further stage. Okay, so these are all the clear idea, guys. Okay, so I hope you guys have got clear idea in your mind. Okay, I hope you all super clear with this concept now. So are you clear? Okay, if you are clear, you just post I'm super clear, Sanjay, in your live chat. So before that, are you guys all ready to create a chatbot? If you are ready to create a chatbot today, you just post I'm excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, how many of you people are really excited to create a chatbot? If you are super ready to create a chatbot, you just post I'm super ready, Sanjay, in your live chat. Are you ready, guys? If you are super ready, you just post I'm super ready, Sanjay, in your live chat. Are you guys all ready? If you are ready, you just post I'm super ready or super excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. Yes. Let us spread a lot of positivity here, guys. I'm super clear, super clear. There are a lot of message. Muhammad and Bobby and Bharat and Shashi Ram and King of Science and Ashta Singh and Surya Kumar and Nitish and Vijay Raju and Chitrai and Sai Teja. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting, super excited. Okay, so I hope you all with me, and I hope you guys are having a laptop with you. Okay, if you don't have a laptop with you, don't worry. Please arrange laptop later, because if you really want to do as a hands-on, please arrange a laptop. Otherwise, you can also go through the session by simply seeing it. But the best suggestion is to do it with me. That is the best advice. Okay, so now before going for the chatbot. Okay, so there is a lot of similar ideas, guys. So chatbot, one side there is a chatbot, and one side there is a voice assistance. I think you guys already know what is the difference between chatbot and voice assistance. So in the chatbot, if you are asking into the chats, it will go into reply. I think so. Let us see who is going to remember that, guys. Do you know Natasha? I'm not asking about Black Widow Natasha Romanoff. I'm asking about Natasha chatbot. So how many of you guys remember that? If you remember that, you just ping your answers in the live chat, because that is a one kind of wonderful chatbot which we guys have seen previously. You just let us see who is going to give the answers. Okay, that is the first part. And in the other side, you just guys tell me what are all the chatbot or Hamid. I pronounced your name. Okay, is it okay now? Okay. So chat other side there is a voice assistant. You guys tell me what are all the what are all the voice assistants you guys know. Okay, you just post your answers in the live chats. What are all the voice assistants you guys have know? Okay, a lot of people have posted yes, hike. Okay, the first message I saw that by Adit. Wonderful Adit by for giving that answer. And by following him, there are a lot of response. Maria Robin and Sai Arapalli and Sanjay Manta. Another Sanjay is here. Wonderful. And Nanda Kumar and Adit and Vivin and Aryan and Kumaran. Yes. A lot of people guys have used hike. Wonderful answers, guys. A lot of people nowadays, a lot of people are giving the answer. Wonderful answers. Yes. So on the hike, people used to say like, I like you. I want to marry you. There are a lot of funny message which has been given to hike Natasha. Do you guys really know about one statistics which has been taken by Google? So in this 30 days, I really love to give lot of tips and lot of short bites to you guys. So today's short bites is, do you guys really know when compared to throughout the complete world? I think Google released that statistics previously around moreover like before 4 to 5 months. I think the analytics really shows that lot of Indians given the message to the Google assistants like I love you. Okay, so is it really lovely short bites, guys? If you really love the short bites, you just post I love the Sanjay in your live chat. So this is the statistics where a lot of people used to tell that kind of statements to voice assistants, Google, especially Google assistants. Okay, so that is what statistics which is released by the Google. Okay, if it is funny, you just post your emojis in the live chat, guys. So before that, yes, we're getting a lot of response. Google assistants, Alexa, Siri, and yes. Thank you so much, guys. Jarvis. Okay, it is from the movie. Okay, it's super cool. Google Assistants, Amazon Alexa, hi Cortana, exactly. And yes, guys, thank you so much for giving the answers. Okay, so I would like to tell something. So some of the important notes about chatbot. You can create a chatbot by yourself. Yes. There are two ways. Number one way is to write a program where we need to have the complete depth knowledge on machine learning, natural language processing to create a chatbot. That is the number one way. And by using a program, we can create a chatbot. That is the number one way, especially with the help of AI. And second thing, where you can able to create a chatbot by using some of the very popular tools. So on that list, today, we are going to be creating a chatbot by using the most popular tool, which is Google's Dialogflow. Okay, so if you all with me, try to follow me. Okay, you just go to the Google and you just type Dialogflow console. Okay, so I hope you all noting down. Please note down Dialogflow console. Okay, so you just type this Dialogflow console, so you'll be getting this page. So Dialogflow console, so you used to get this in your window, guys. Okay, sorry guys, now my monitor, my second monitor suddenly is not working, so that's why I really show on I really want to show this now. Okay, so this is what is the thing, guys. Okay, so now what is the stuff is, now we are going to create this chatbot, as well as even you can also call us like a voice Google Assistant with the help of this Google's Dialogflow. Okay, so I've given the link in the live chat. You just use the link to visit this page. Okay, if you guys have got this page, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. I think it will ask you to create, or I think it will ask you to log in your account. Okay, please log in your account. Okay, previously I'll delete the previous chatbot which has been already created. Okay, so you will get this page. Okay, if you guys have got this, because I really don't want to be one-sided, like teaching continuously without asking you. I really want each and every people are want to follow me and they want to experience this lovely session. Okay, so if you are ready and if you are doing this, if you guys have got this window, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. I'm repeating again. Visit Google and type Dialogflow console. So on the Dialogflow console, you just click the first line. Okay, so if you guys have got this, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. I got this. Okay, sorry guys are clear. If you guys have got this, I just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so we are going to create a chatbot and we are also going to show, or we are going to integrate as well. So I hope you are super excited to know about it. Okay, so IGT Sanjay. Okay, how many of you people are really super excited to go for it? Okay, if you all are really super excited to create a chatbot, you just post I'm eager, or you just post ETL Sanjay, or you just post a lot of positive emojis in the live chats, guys. IGT, there are a lot of people have got this. Wonderful. Okay, guys, so before going on to it, I really want to tell something to you. So only 5 minutes. Okay, what is the thing is, if the people you are feeling little bit difficult on attending each and every 30 days of live event, you really want some recorded videos, you really want source code as an attachment, because in our webinar we can't able to share every source code to you, because there are a lot of advanced final year project worth of final year project the source code are there. So if you really want to get everything as a complete bundle, and if you really want to do a internship course or something like that, we are also providing an internship program, guys, where you can able to get every like 30 days of video lectures, 15 plus projects, various way community. So we are having our private social medias, and Saturday there is going to be a live session and bonus task and assignments and technical materials, which includes PowerPoint presentation, mind map, source code, data sets, trained model file, everything you are going to get as like a bundle. And finally, you are also going to get internship certificate. If you really want to get this internship, we are going to provide at the price of 999 rupees. I think a lot of people have already registered for this AI internship at the 999 rupees. But as the webinar is going on now, I'm about to give some surprise offer today. So what is the surprise offer is? Let us see, or I'm going to be giving you the people who are all going to buy this AI course at the price of 999. Those people are going to get additional 2 courses for free. Number 1 course is machine learning, which is going to be covering up the detailed overview, detailed project-based learning on, or learning about supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So under the 3 category, you'll be having 28 plus projects in this course. And today we guys have shown, we guys have shown one roadmap, right? Excel, Power BI, and databases, and machine learning, Python, everything we guys have shown, right? So based on that agenda, we guys have created another course, which is data analytics course, where you're gonna have these 3 courses. Okay, do you really guys are excited to know about this 3 courses price? So where you're gonna have 3 courses, recorded video lectures, and you're gonna have 70 plus projects, 100 plus source code, technical materials are same as like PPT, source code, data sets, mind map, and trained model file, everything you're gonna have as an attachment, and bonus task and assignments, and forum, telegram, forum discussion group, which is like community, it is not a telegram. And finally, you're gonna have 3 internship certificate. Okay, if you really eager to know about the price about 3 courses, you just post I'm really eager, or you just post eager Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, if you really need 3 courses, what about if you are going to register for AI course, what about the 2 courses? So I'm revealing the price, guys. what is the price here is we are going to be giving up these 3 courses at the price of 999 rupees. Okay, now our team will going to share the link in the live chat, okay, where you are going to get 3 courses at the price of 999 rupees. Okay, so 3 courses which includes artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics. So before that, I would like to show that portal. So if you are registered for this course, registered for this artificial intelligence internship, you are going to get access for this portal. You just see here, internship on AI, that is the #1 course, and internship on data analytics, that is the #2 course, and machine learning, that is gonna be #3 course. Okay, so where is that machine learning? Yes. So once you guys have registered for the 3-in-1 combo, you are going to get these 3 courses at the price of only 999. This is only today offer, guys. You can able to get 3 courses at the price of 999. Okay, so I hope you really love this offer. If you really love this offer, you just post "I love this" Sanjay in a live chat. You just see here there are 30 days of courses on AI itself, and 30 days of agenda on data analytics itself, and 30 days of course on machine learning itself. You just see the project: sales prediction, salary estimation, handwritten digit recognition, Titanic survival, plant lease iris, digit recognition, breast cancer reduction, house price prediction, exam mark. Likewise, there are nearly like 60 or 70 plus projects is going to be there, guys. Okay, so let us come back to the session. So before that, I'm telling you that we are providing these 3 courses at the price of only 999 rupees. The link which is going to be given on the live chat, and link is going to be given on the description as well. Just click that link and register now and feel the values, guys. And stay till the end. There is going to be another more surprises really waiting for you. I think this itself, it is really showing that lot of surprise it is, because we are providing it at a very less price. Because if you are exploring AI in anywhere else, there they used to provide the course minimum of 7,000 rupees, or they used to provide the course at the 70,000, 40,000, 90,000, 1,50,000. But now you can also give, or you can also have comparison between their agenda versus our agenda, how many projects you can able to develop. So where we are providing at the very low cost, only to understand how the person can't able to spend 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees to buy courses as a student mentality or students affordability. So that's why we are providing that 3 courses at the price of 999 rupees. I've given the link in the live chat. You just click that link and register for AI course, so that you are going to get 2 courses free. Machine learning and data analytics. Okay. Now, so are you guys still with me to create a chatbot? If you are still with me, you just post "I'm with you, Sanjay" in your live chat, or you just post IWY Sanjay in your live chat. I'm with you. Now, let us create a chatbot, guys. So, first of all, before creating a chatbot, some kind of factor we need to know. The first factor is creating agent. I hope you guys have already got this window. So, there are some button called create agent. Okay, what you just do is you just click that create agent button. Okay, once you guys have clicked that create agent button, here it will ask for agent name. So what is your bot name is? Okay, so for an example, if your name is Harshit bot. Okay, if your name is Raju, Raju bot. If your name is Bandhan bot. If your name is Shivu bot. So likewise, you just going to create, or you just going to give the name for your chatbot. Okay, so what you just do is you just open this dialogflow.cloud.google.com. So here you just type your bot name. So for an example, I'm gonna name it like pizza bot. Okay, so here you just observe the name how I given. So pizza is the name, and for B I've given the uppercase. Okay, so uppercase, like B is uppercase and bot. Okay, this is the name which I've given, pizza bot. Okay, so pizza bot is the name I've given. I think you can able to follow me, guys. I'm really going very slow only for you. I really want each and every people want to be very positive and very engaging with me. Okay, please don't skip that, like why I want to do that. So don't do that. Okay, I really want to attract the people who are really want to learn something, really want to enrich their knowledge, and really want to earn more money from the knowledge they have. Okay, please have a very good mindset, guys. So please come with me. Okay, so you just want to type the name. Okay, pizza space bot. Pizza bot. Okay, B is uppercase. Don't give spaces. Same as in the format. You just give that agent. Okay, if you guys have created the agent. Okay, once you have created the agent, you just click save. save or done. So once you have done it, you just post I done Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so thank you so much. Love bot. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people love bot. Okay, wonderful. Okay, so like this, you just create the agent, guys. If you guys have created, you just post I done Sanjay in your chat, because whenever people used to post I done, other people were all simply sitting with the laptop. They used to get motivated to do that. So please motivate others by spreading some positive words. Okay, so create agent like this. Okay, once you guys have done it, you just post I done Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, don't use underscore or something like that. Please create as same as like I did it. Okay, okay, so wonderful. Very enjoying the session by the pro player zone. Wonderful, very enjoying the session. Thank you so much for that positive words. Done. Wonderful, guys. How long the session will go, guys? If you are really considering about the time, it is really not good, guys. But definitely, as per my thing, I'm gonna have the session up to like more than like still half an hour or 45 minutes maybe, because based on the Q&A. Because at final, I'm having a Q&A session where I'll ask the question. I'm gonna give the reply to the question which you are asking in the live chat itself. So based on your interaction, I'm gonna take the session. Okay. So if you're really not interested on it, please leave the session, guys. Okay, other than that, people who really want to success, want to be like a warrior, please stay till the session. Done. There are a lot of done, guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people have done this. Wonderful. So first of all, we guys have created an agent. Agent is nothing but your chatbot's name. Okay, just take like agent for your chatbot name. Now we need to create intent. What is your intent is? So for what intent you are creating? Okay, so are you creating for food ordering bot? Are you ordering for Are you ordering for a ticket booking chatbot, book identifying chatbot in library, medicine suggestion like chatbot for like hospitals? So what is your intent of your bot? So here my intent of my chatbot is also like pizza bot. Okay, so it is like ordering a pizza. Okay, so like it is also going to be giving like pizza bot. Okay, so what is the thing is, or I'm just going to give like order pizza. Okay, so this is my intent of my bot. Okay, so this is order pizza. Okay, sorry, clear. So second thing is ordering pizza. So I've created, first of all, I've created an agent and I've created an intent called order pizza. So if you guys have did this up to now, you just post I did Sanjay in your live chat. You just post I did Sanjay in your live chat. Still now a lot of people have done that. So much eager Sanjay by Saja Sritaran. Wonderful, positive message. Thank you so much. And Humaretto, excellent. Thank you so much. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Okay, now first of all, created an agent. Now we guys have created an intent. Now it's time to add some training phrases, guys. And before that, I really want to show something. On the right hand side, you can chat, you can check, you can chat, or you can check your chatbot, guys. Whenever you are doing some changes, you can check your chatbot. Okay, guys, please don't rise up for attendance. If you are really coming for the attendance, if you're really coming for the certificate, please leave the session, guys. Because here there are a lot of positive people are there where they are coming only for learning something new. So if you're really coming for only attendance, please leave the session. Okay, so now what is the thing is, right hand side where you can test your chatbot. So before going for the intents, I really want to show one thing to you. First of all, on the left hand side, you just scroll down and go for the small talk, guys. So what is mean by small talk, Sanjay? It is simple. Whenever while talking about the chatbot, what we used to tell like basic words: hi, hello, who are you, what is your age, who am I? So likewise, we used to have like small bit talks, right? So what we can do is you can go for this option called small talk here. So that is the enable button. Okay. So what you just do is you just go for the small talk and you just enable it. Okay. So you just enable this button here. Okay. So you just enable this button and below you just scroll down and you just look for this about agent. If you are clicking this about agent, there are some prerequisites, pre-question as well. So who are you? If someone is asking who are you, I am Sanjay's bot. Okay. So or I am chatbot. I am pizza bot. Okay. So likewise, you can give some multiple answers. Okay. So for the only one person, who are you? you can give multiple answers so that it can switch over the multiple answers. Instead of giving only one answer, it can give multiple answers. So that is what this about agent is. So likewise, it will have lot of questions like who are you, how old are you. So here I can give the reply like I am what, you idiot. Okay, likewise, you can give lot of funny answers in the chatbots, guys. Okay, so I hope you really enjoying this chatbot creation. If you are really enjoying, you just post I'm enjoying Sanjay in a live chat. So yes, so that's it. Okay, so likewise, it is up to you. You can fill up. So about agent, we have completed 6%, and courtesy there are like that's but great. So likewise, there are some messages and emotions, haha and wow and hello, bye bye. If someone is telling bye bye, what your chatbot want to tell about user? I'm very angry right now. Confirmation, yes, no, and other questions and phrases. So likewise, we have some pre questions, guys. Okay, it is about to you. You are going to complete or not. It's up to you. So you can do it. For an example, here we guys have answered only for the 2 questions. Who are you and how old are you? Okay. So now, once you guys have given that, what you can do is you can click save. Okay, guys. I hope you all following with me, and I hope you are with me. So once you guys have given a lot of answers to this small talk questions, so you just want to click the save button. Okay. Once it has been saved. Okay, once it has been saved, on the right hand side there is a text box where it is asking try it now. So here I can ask or I can test my bot, guys. Let us see. Hello, hi, how are you doing? Okay, it is already giving me the reply. So likewise, we can check out their bot. So let us ask some question like who are you? Okay, so let us ask the question, who are you? You just see here, it replied me, I am a pizza bot. Okay, so let us ask the same question. Who are you? Again, it is replying, I am pizza bot. Okay, so instead of asking, so it does not mean that you just want to ask the exact question. I can ask like this. Who are you? You just see here, there is another reply. I am Sanjay's bot. Okay, likewise, it is giving me the reply. So this is what the small talk means. So small talk is nothing but where there are some basic questions. Though for those basic questions you can give or you can program lot of answers so that it can also automatically it is going to reply for the small talks. So that is what the small talks is all about. Are you clear? Okay. So are you clear about the small talks, guys? If you are clear, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in a live chat, because we are moving on to the next part now. So before that, first of all, we have created an agent. And then we just moved on to the small talk to enable the small talk and give a reply for some of the questions and click the save, and we have checked it. Now bot is working perfectly for my small talk. Are you clear? If you are clear, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in a live chat. Okay, so now let us go further. You are teaching Python program here. Of course, tomorrow we are going to start with Python. Don't worry. Very, very interesting by Abdullahi. Thank you so much for wonderful answer, positive message. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Amazing, wonderful, 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 guys. Now, let us go for the option intent. Okay, what is your bot's intent is? My bot's intent is ordering a pizza. So that's why we guys have given the name like order pizza. Okay, so you just click create intent and order pizza. So that is what I've created. Okay, I think you guys have already did it, guys. For you, I can do it again. Create intent, and I'm giving the name like order pizza. Okay, this is what the intent of my bot is. Once you have given it, you just save it and you just scroll down, guys. Okay, now we are going to add some training phrases. So what is mean by training phrases, Sanjay? It is simple. If you are programming your chatbot to want to order a pizza, so what are the questions you need to ask? So those kind of things. So for an example, if someone is ordering a pizza, so what are the questions there, guys? Questions like what is your phone number, what is your mail ID, to which address I need to deliver, where I need to deliver, what toppings you need. Do you need cheese? Do you need spicy? Do you need other toppings, onions? Or what size do you need? Small, medium, large? So likewise, you need to ask a lot of questions, right? Now we are going to program it. Okay, are you all still in excitement to create it? If you are still in excitement, you just post fire emojis in the live chats. Okay, if the session is really interactive, guys, if the session is very different from others, okay, just give your comments in the live chat. So now, let us click the training phrase. So once you guys have clicked the training phrase, there is a button called add training phrases. You just click that add training phrases. Now I'm going to add some training phrases like order me a pizza. I think it is visible for you. You just give some comments. Order me a pizza. Okay, likewise I have added some phrases. Now my second question is, it need to ask my phone number first of all. Okay, that is my second question my bot want to ask. For that, what I can do is asking the same question, like I'm adding some training phrases like order me a pizza to the number. So I need to give some format, guys. I'll tell you why we are giving the number now. Okay, guys, don't try this number because I'm just giving randomly. Don't please try this number. Okay, so now I'm adding some numbers here. Okay, are you all with me, guys? Now, for an example, if my chatbot is asking phone number, if someone is typing Sanjay, it should not work. So that's why we are adding this training phrases and entities. So let us check it out how the entities will work. So I'm adding some training phrases like order me a pizza to the number. This is my phone number. So what you used to do is, once you are given this, you need to select these numbers, guys. Once you guys have selected by your mouse pointer through the to that numbers, it will open this page where it is showing a lot of list of entities. So out of this entities, you just type PHO. So where it is showing sys.phone number. We just want to click that phone number, guys. Okay, are you clear? So we guys have added the phone number. Once you guys have added phone number, you just want to click save. So once you guys have saved it, once you guys have scrolled down, there are action and then parameter. You just want to click manage and then action and then parameter. So once you guys have clicked that, it will show phone number. Phone number. It is showing like this. Right? What you just want to do is, you just want to enable it. Okay, required. You just want to enable it. And here there is a question called prompts. Okay, here there is a prompt. So what you just do is, you just click the prompt. In that prompt, you just want to give the questions like enter your phone number. Okay, or else second option. So there are a lot of alternative questions you can ask. May I know your contact number? Okay, likewise, you can add multiple questions here. Okay, here I'm gonna add some text to response. Pizza ordered. Okay, so that is what the message I'm going to print. Okay, let us check it out on my chatbot. Okay, if you all excited, okay, so please do it with me. Okay, pizza order, that's what I've done. So I'm going to click save. So whatever the change which you are doing, please don't forget to click save. So once it has been done, I'm going to test my chatbot, guys. Let us see. Order me a pizza. Okay, what it is asking, guys? May I know your contact number? So let us give some funny reply. What is the second question? Again, it is asking the same number. Just see here, I'm giving simply like text. Again and again, it is asking the same question. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? Because we haven't given the proper format. Okay, we haven't given the statement. We haven't given the answer in the proper format because we guys have chosen the training phrases to train this number format as an entity called phone number entity. So that's why it is not showing or it is not working whenever you are writing the text. Instead, if you are giving the phone number, for an example, I'm giving any number, guys. It's not mandatory to give the same number. I'm giving any number. I'm giving enter. You just see here pizza order. Guys, do you guys really love this? If you really like it, you just post I like it, Sanjay in a live chat. That is what the chatbot, guys. Now, we are going to add further more entities. Sanjay, how can I add further entities? I would like to show it to you. So first of all, we guys have added only one entity, which is phone number. Now we are about to add further more entities. Let us see. Order me a pizza in the mail ID of, I'm going to give some mail ID. Okay, it is not my mail ID, guys. Okay, so I'm just giving some format. Okay, just giving some format. So sanjay@gmail.com. So you just want to select again. So the same format, sanjay@gmail.com. Here you just want to click type Gmail email. So you just choose sys.email. So once it has been chosen, again don't forget to click save. So now we guys have added two entities. One is phone number and another one is email. And scroll down, it is showing email now in the action and then parameters. You just check this and define prompt is there. You just click this define prompt and here you just give the response. So what is the question? Enter your email ID. Okay, so that is what it is given. So it has been given now, and if you are scrolling down, so a pizza order is already there. Okay, you can click save. Now let us check our chatbot. So it does not mean that you just want to give order me a pizza again and again. Instead, I can give order pizza. Okay, so whenever you are giving, it is asking, may I know your contact number? So I'm giving some numbers. So now it is asking my mail ID. So in my mail ID, if I'm giving numbers, it won't work. Okay, whenever you're giving some text, it won't work because the mail ID format is different. So now I'm giving some mail ID like champ@gmail.com. Now it is showing like pizza order. Okay, that is what. So likewise, we can add lot of entities, guys. So order me a pizza. To the address Chennai. Okay, I'm just giving some format. I'm selecting this. I'm going to give some address. Okay, so sys.address. I've given that entity, and don't forget to click save. And I'm checking this address. Given that, enter your address. Close. Okay, so likewise, you can add lot of entities, guys. Order me a pizza now. Okay, so you can select this, and you can select like time period. So sys.time. So you can select time here. So when you need a food. So I'm going to select save again. And the second last question is time. When you need a food, right? So you can ask a question like when you need a pizza. So likewise, you just want to add, you can add multiple entities. Okay, or you guys are clear? If you are clear with these entities, guys, you just post I'm super clear Sanjay in your live chat. Now additionally, you can do something. Okay, so before that, so in the pizza order, so what you can do is pizza ordered to the address of, you can use the dollar symbol to display the address. Okay, so address entity, because the what address which has been given by the user, that will be printed in the output. Okay, for the user. Okay, and in the contact number, again I'm using dollar symbol, and I'm using phone number. Okay, so likewise it will show. So if you are clicking a save, let us check my chatbot how it is working. So let us check it out. Order pizza. So what is the first question it's asking? Enter your phone number. So I'm giving some phone number. Enter your mail ID. So champ@gmail.com. Enter your address. I'm giving address like Madurai. Enter. When you need a pizza. So here, since it has been configured like a time, I can simply give time, or else I can give some text word like time as well. So or else you can give some text like evening, or let us give today. Okay, when you need a pizza, it's like let us check it out. Afternoon. It's asking same question. Let us give 4 p.m. Okay, so whenever you are giving 4 p.m., it is giving like pizza order to the address of Madurai, and in the contact number, it just printed, guys. Okay, if you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. I love this output Sanjay in your live chat. So what is the stuff is, we guys have given some training phrases, and we guys have added action and then parameter, and we guys have given response. So here you can also shift the response. So instead of asking the mobile number first, you need to ask the email. Means you can click this arrow symbol to shift into the first position. So first of all, it will ask the email, and then it will ask the phone number. So this is the short note which I have given for you. Now, okay, guys, are you guys are clear? So additionally, you can add some statements like, and phone number is added, email, and to the with registered email. Okay, registered email ID. Likewise, I can going to give like email. So likewise, we have given. Now, you may have some question which is running in your mind. Okay, so some people are not clear. Definitely, I'll give the reply for you guys. Don't worry. So now some people will ask a question. Sanjay, how can I give, or how can I add topics? Guys, I'll tell you now. So how can you add a topics? The toppings are nothing but cheese, pizzas. Cheese, spicy. Guys, I'm really poor at that. So you guys tell me what all the toppings are there in pizzas. Okay. So just give you a response in the live chat. Let us create this pizza bot as a theme. Okay. So how to add a custom entities, because the toppings are not going to be in this entity. So we need to add that entities. So how can we add that entities? It's simple. So you just go for the entities button here. Okay, there is the entities button. So sorry, I forgot to save it. Save and click entities. So once you gone for the entities, click create entities. Okay, so once you guys have clicked create entities, you just want to give the name for the entities. I'm going to give the name like toppings. So here I need to give list of toppings names. Okay, so yeah, we are getting response onion. Okay, and is there any other pepperoni? Okay, so pepperoni. Okay, wonderful. And then guys, you guys tell me guys, cheese, yes, cheese, and then mushroom. Okay, so likewise people given the answers like onion, pepperoni, cheese, mushroom. Again, likewise I've added some toppings entity. Okay, my another entity, if I want to create another entity, okay, so that is what the thing. So first of all, we guys have created one entities, guys. Again, you can click entities and you can add another entity. For an example, I'm adding an entity called size. Okay, what is the size of your pizza, right? So small, medium, large. Okay, likewise we guys have added three size entities, guys. So we guys have added two entities. One is size entity and toppings entity. Now let us go for the intent and order pizza again. So order me a pizza. Okay, so let us put small pizza. Okay, so you just want to select this one, and here you just want to type what the entities you guys have added. So size. Okay, are you clear? Because before we guys have added the default entities, now we are using a custom entities. Here you just click that. Do you need a small or medium or large pizza? Okay, likewise you can add a question. Okay, so here you can put up that size as well. So dollar size. Okay, small pizza ordered. Okay, so likewise it can put up the statement. Now I am going to add the toppings. Order me a cheese pizza. Okay, so cheese toppings. Okay, likewise we guys have added another thing. So what you just do is you just select cheese, and here you just want to type toppings and select save. Scroll down and choose the toppings. Here what toppings you need. So likewise it is going to ask the question, small pizza with what is it, with toppings, right? So toppings order. Okay, guys, do you guys really excited to test our final chatbot? If you are really excited, you just post I'm excited Sanjay in live chat. So let us check it out. So I just click the save. Now I'm just going to create a chatbot. So I'm just going to check my complete chatbot. So order me a pizza. So it is asking enter your mail ID. So I'm just adding a mail ID like sanjay@gmail.com. So it is asking my phone number. So I'm giving some random phone number. So it is asking me enter your address. I'm giving address like Chennai. So it is asking me when you need a pizza. I need around 5 p.m. Okay. So it is asking me, do you need a small, medium or large pizza? I need a small pizza. So if it is my chatbot is asking what toppings you need. So I need cheese or I need spicy. Okay, I'm giving spicy now. Okay, so it is, I think it is, I haven't added that. So I'm going to give cheese now. So small pizza with cheese toppings ordered to the address of Chennai and in the contact number 54 etc. with registered email ID sanjay@gmail.com. Okay, so this is what the output we got. I hope you really love this creating this chatbot. If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. So at further we have small part is left over. So what is the small part is to integrate our chatbot with the web server. If you are creating a web pages, if you are having a website by yourself, how to integrate your chatbot with the web pages. So how to create that. So that is the small very important topic which is really waiting for you. So before going for that small topic, I would like to reveal that surprise which I told you before. So what is the surprise today is, let us reveal that. I hope a lot of people are super excited to know about it. Guys, we guys have already know the people who are all going to registered artificial intelligence internship at the price of 999. Those people are going to get a machine learning course and data analytics course for absolutely free. Right? I hope you all remember that. Now, I would like to give another course for free for you only today. Okay, I'm going to finish it out today night 11:45. The link is going to be closed. Okay, what is the offer is, you are going to get Python course for free, because some people, so even though if you are starting with AI course, you can do Python parallelly. Even though you are starting only the machine learning course, you can learn Python parallelly. Even though you are learning, even though you are registering for data analytics, you can learn Python parallelly. But if you need a detailed Python explanation, if you need a detailed Python course overview, where we are going to provide you the Python course, also going to be free for you guys. So what is all about? There we are providing 4 courses at the price of 999, guys. So what is the thing? So the people who already registered for single course AI, or the people who already registered for 3 courses like AI, ML, DA, those people are also going to get 4 courses at the price of 999. Today is the only offer. So today around 11:45 we are going to end the offer. So if you really love it, you just click that link and register for the internship, guys. So I'll ask the person to post the link in the live chat. So you just click that link and get that 4 courses at the price of only 999 rupees, guys. Yes. Thank you for my team who posted Python plus AI plus DA. So where you're going to have 4 courses at the price of 999, guys. Okay. You just please visit learn.pantechsolutions.net, where you can explore the courses. Here we have artificial intelligence course, where we have machine learning course, and where we have data analytics course, and where we have Python. Okay, totally there are 4 courses which we are providing at the same price. If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so that is all the things about it. Now let us create a chatbot again. So let us integrate the chatbot again. So yes, so don't forget it. The link which is given in the live chat as well, just use it. Now we guys have created a chatbot. Now let us go for to what is it? To explore to integrate the chatbot with our web server. Okay, how to do that? So what you just do is, on the left hand side there is an option called integrations. Okay, so here we have the integrations. So if you are having an integration, if you are scrolling down, there is a option called web demo. Okay, what you just want to do is, you just click this web demo. There it will ask you to enable it. Okay, you just want to click that enable button. Once you guys have clicked enable, there it will give you the HTML code, where you can simply copy this HTML code to your system, where it will answer your questions. Okay, in your web page, if someone is asking questions, your chatbot can answer you. Okay, answer the person who are asking questions. So that is the HTML code which will be automatically generated by this. So this code you can copy paste it, or else if you want to check that out your chatbot, you can simply click this link. So this is how your chatbot will look like. You can also change your title, you can also change your logo, everything which has been given detailedly on the internship, guys, because in our 1 hour we can't able to cover up everything. So those in detail, everything which has been given on the internship, guys. Okay, so yes, Sabarish, I have enrolled 1+3. So I have enrolled for courses. Will I get Python course? Yes, of course, you are going to get 4 courses at the price of 999, guys. Okay, now let us talk about this pizza bot. So this is the pizza bot. So everything which has been given on the internship in detail, guys, how to change the logo, how to change the name, everything which has been given there. Okay, now you just see here, ask something is there. So you can ask some questions like same as like your bot. So order pizza. So it's asking me like enter your email ID. So champ@gmail.com. And may I know your contact number? Yes, entered. And enter your email address, Sanjay at, okay, so enter your address. Sorry, it is address. So Chennai. So let us make it like Delhi. When you need a pizza? I need it now. So let us put it out at like 6 p.m. Do you need a small pizza? I need small. Small is enough. I can't eat more. Okay. So what toppings you need? I really love cheese, or I really love spicy. So small pizza with cheese toppings order to the address of Delhi, and in the contact number. So the contact number is printed with registered email ID champ@gmail.com. Okay, so I hope you really love this today's technical complete session, guys. If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Still now some of the part is remaining, the Q&A is there, so those stuff. And before that, I would like to tell another thing. We are also providing we are also providing our gold membership bundle, guys, where we are providing 19 courses, like which includes AI, data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, Python, computer vision, R programming, embedded system, Internet of Things, FPGA, PCB design, Arduino masterclass, MATLAB, Raspberry Pi, and 5 soft skill courses, which includes LinkedIn interview skills, resume building, time management, and bonus course, where you are going to get everything which is all about at the price of 7,999 rupees. So that is also available. You can get it. So, but now the main today's offer which is going on is you can get 4 courses at the price of 999, guys. Okay, if you are really interested on our gold membership, you can call to this number to know about in detail, 730-584-5758. So other than that, so you can go for this 4-in-1 course internship, the link which has been given in this given in this live chat, guys. So before that, do you guys have any questions? Okay, so let it have very good questions, guys. Please ask a wonderful question so that I can answer your all of your questions, guys. I'm having my mobile phone to see your questions. So let us interact with you guys. So give your questions. I'll answer your questions. So that, guys. So guys. So before asking questions, I really want to know how much experience which you guys have felt in this from the session. So from this today's session, let us have a quick overview. First of all, we guys have gone through what is meant by AI, what is meant by ML, what is meant by DL, what is meant by NLP, and we guys have seen what is the data scientist and what is the difference between data science and data analyst. And then we guys have gone through what is the roadmap to become a data scientist and what are the job roles which you can able to apply for to get the to apply for a job. And then we guys have created a chatbot by ourselves. And then we guys have we guys have integrated our chatbot with the web servers. And additional bonus is also there in internship. In the internship, we guys have given how to integrate your chatbot with the Google Assistant, because each and every people who are all having a Google Assistant, right? So how to create, how to add, how to add their chatbot with their Google Assistants. You can also ask your chatbot via your voice as well. So likewise, every internship, every detailed explanation which is given on the internship, you just go for the internship to feel the value more. Okay, if you feel the value today more, you just post. I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so how to integrate with our application? There are a lot of ways, guys. This is a wonderful question. So there are a lot of ways. So where you can integrate your chatbot with a lot of ways, like by using Google Assistant, or if you want to integrate with the chat voice, like what is it, like chatbot or something like that, like WhatsApp or something like that. You can also do that integration via the Twilio. So Twilio is also available here. So Twilio is here. So by using the Twilio, so that is also can be done. So a lot of things definitely you can also do. Okay. So what happens if someone ordered using a fake address? Fake address email verification is really not very easy, because we need to verify the email ID. Definitely that also can be verified whenever we are going for the programming or whenever we are additionally adding some kind of building inside. Okay. Okay. Is there any other questions, guys? Please ask your questions in the live chat. I love this, Sanjay, guys. Thank you so much. Your session is very good by Bala Sundaram. Thank you so much, guys. Arvind, a really great class. I love this. Can we integrate this chatbot with Python application? There are a lot of ways. Definitely, I'll update you via the mastermind session. Okay. Chatbot is different tool where you can use it to create a chatbot. That is different. Okay. So how to add a chatbot with web pages? Yes, you can use or you can copy their HTML codes, so that you can integrate your chatbot with the web pages. Okay, so how to embed my chatbot in a blogger? It's simple, guys. So here, whenever you are using this web demo, it will give you the HTML codes. You just want to use this HTML codes, so that HTML codes into your web pages, so that it will open your chatbot in your web page. Okay, so how can I get the material? You just want to attend every day until the end. So each and every day, definitely on the tomorrow day, you are going to get that course. Okay. What is the difference between the pre-course and the free course and the paid course, guys? In this 30 days which you are watching in a YouTube, you are not going to get the source codes. Okay, simple basic source code I can share, but other than that, The advanced of the source code I can't share. So other than that, I can share you the materials, I can share you the PPT. So those stuff I can share. But other than that, the complete detailed source code, data sets, everything I can't able to share because it is really having a huge value. Just imagine, because we are providing the 4 courses. For the 4 courses, we guys haven't completed the 4 courses within a 1 week or within a 2 weeks. It really took nearly like 1 year. It is moreover, it is nearly like 1 year of a journey where we guys have gained a lot of knowledge and we guys have done it. Okay, guys, do you really know how the Pantech prolapse ages? So Pantech is nearly, it is crossing at 17 years. So 17 years we are in the field of product based company. As a product based company, we guys have gained a lot of knowledge. Now we are ready to share our knowledge in the company name called Warriors Way. So we took a lot of time to prepare it in a very precise way and we to give it in a very cheapest price with internship certificate as well. So you just make use of it and register for the internship and feel the value, guys. So that's why only for the paid participants we are gonna give every source code and everything on the for the people who are registered for it. Okay, there are a lot of chats which is really running very faster. There are a lot of love and support which is given. Thank you so much. Satish Sharat, I bought the course when you said 3-in-1 for 999. Now there is 4-in-1. Don't worry, Satish Sharat. Even though you register for 1 course, even though you register for 3 courses at the price of 999, definitely you'll be automatically enrolled to the Python course automatically. Don't worry. Okay, we'll take care of it. Okay. Is there any other questions, guys? There are a lot of questions. How to access the contents after registering in 4-in-1 internship? It's simple. Once you guys have registered for it, what you just do is you just please visit learn.pantechsolutions.net, where in this website from that link you can able to start exploring the course. Okay, so it will take nearly like 12 to 24 hours of time to enroll you to the course, because it will take some time to manually enroll each and every people to the 4 courses. So please have your patience, nearly like 12 to 24 hours maximum. So once the 24 hours has been crossed, you can able to see your course has just been enrolled into this portal. You just please visit learn.pantechsolutions.net. Okay, so I'll ask the person to post the link. Visit learn.pantechsolutions.net. Already posted, I think. Okay, you just click that link and you can explore the courses from this portal. Okay, so Karthik Raja, sir, you have said about job role. What I want to know, what is the qualification is required when a person is getting placed in a company? So while talking about that, previously there is a myth called the fresher is not allowed to become a data scientist. It is not about the fresher or it is not about the experience. It is about what are the projects which you guys have worked on. Okay, that is very important. If you are coming into our Warriors Way community, you are going to have very detailed, focused learning, where you're going to have a lot of industry level project, a lot of advanced session, which is not given in the internship, is also going to be given for the people. Okay, so please come for our community. So what is all about the community is we are having our own community, guys. So this is the hub.warriorsway.in. The people who are all registering for our courses, those people are going to be part of our Warriors Way community. So where you can start exploring everything. So what are the events is happening. So likewise, whatever you really want, you can get it from here. Okay, Zoom link, everything which is going to be given in the social media. It is not a social media which is more distractive. It is a social media which is focused session or focused part. Okay, so change the time, guys. Definitely changing time is really difficult for us. I'm really sorry. If you're really not comfortable with the timing, please go for the internship so that whenever you are free, you can start learning. Okay, so is there any other questions, guys? If you guys have any other questions, please ask your questions in the live chat. Can you show once again opening the Dialogflow? It's simple. So you just go to the Google and type Dialogflow console, and here there is a first link. You just click that link so that you will be in the you'll be inside the Dialogflow. Okay. So guys, please call me Sanjay. Okay, please don't call me sir. Please call me Sanjay. So you had create agent name as pizza bot. My doubt is it necessary to lowercase for letter P? Guys, I faced some of the problem previously, like before 2 to 3 years, I think. So that's why I followed this way to create agent name. So please try to follow us. Try to use different, guys. Changing or trying different is not a wrong thing. It is really a good thing. Try to change different things and check it out whether it is giving me the error or not. If it is giving us the error, please post it in the community to show that don't give the different name. It is giving you the error. So likewise, you can also contribute to our community, guys. Okay. Yes. Guys, is there any other questions? What would be the timing of internship? Guys, in internship, that is the main advantage. In internship, there is no timing. Whenever you are free, you can log into the portal and you can start exploring this. Okay, like a Udemy or something like that. So it is a separate portal where you can explore the recorded videos. But what is the difference is, additionally, there will be a Saturday live session each and every week where it is about giving you the adding a new value, because it is about, so whenever people used to register for the course, if it is outdated, that is, there is no use, right? So for example, yesterday you bought a course, now today some new tool has been launched, definitely will be outdated. So that's why, to overcome that, each and every day we are about to give new value to you. So new session about some kind of new concept to you, so which is upgrading yourself, which is not present in the internship portal. So likewise, there are a lot of surprises which is really waiting for you guys. If you are registered for the internship, will be in a very different community, guys. Okay. So very good session. Thank you so much, Raju. Thank you so much. Okay. So Saroraj, what about internship? What you will teach there? You just see the agenda, guys. Okay. You just click that link which we have given, 4-in-1 internship. And then you just try to explore what are all the stuff we guys have learned. Okay, thank you, my team, given the link in the live chat. You just click the link and try to explore what are all the stuff you guys have learned. Or else please visit learn.pantechsolutions.net to explore what are all the stuff you can do it. Okay, so what are all the stuff, like for an example, if you are exploring this artificial intelligence, I think you guys have already know the agenda. It is categorized into different categories like computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, ideas on AI cloud, ideas on AI hardware. This is the categories. Under these category, projects like moving object detection, face detection, object tracking, face recognition, face emotion recognition, and under the deep learning, real-time object recognition, image classification, hand gesture recognition, character recognition, label reading, attendance system, vehicle detection, license plate recognition, drowsiness detection, road sign recognition, and evaluating different machine learning algorithms, fake news detection, AI snake game, natural language processing, title generation, speech emotion analysis, AI cloud, AI hardware. These are the stuff you are going to learn from AI course. Whereas from the machine learning, the project like what to say, sales prediction, salary estimation in each and every different algorithms. Okay, so handwritten edge recognition, Titanic survival prediction, plant leaf iris detection, digit recognition, evaluating classification performance, breast cancer detection, XMR prediction, salary prediction, stock price prediction, height prediction, car price prediction, and engine energy prediction, income spent clustering using k-means, income spent analysis, clustering plant iris, movie recommendation system, market basket analysis, everything which is present in the machine learning, and data analytics which covered based on the roadmap, Power Query on the Excel, formula and pivot table on Excel, chatbot on dashboard on charts and Excel, VBA macros on Excel, statistics, permutation and combination, permutation and sampling, population and sampling, probability distribution, hypothesis testing, business intelligence tools. We guys have covered the two popular BI tools, which is one is Tableau and another one is a Power BI, which is covered in detail, and Python notebooks, how to use the Python basics, Python for data analysis, and NumPy library, Pandas library, and Matplotlib library, Seaborn library, and how to participate in Kaggle competition to win exciting prizes, how to compete with others, about Kaggle, how to download the dataset from the Kaggle, MySQL databases, and SQL Python, NoSQL, which is MongoDB, and introduction to machine learning, evaluating different machine learning algorithms, and introduction to deep learning, COVID-19 detection. So you just see here, COVID-19 detection from X-ray images, tag identification. Likewise, we are having 3 courses, and in Python, it is about 10 days of Python course. Okay, where we are providing the complete 4 courses at the price of 999. You just click the link and register for it, guys. Okay, so did you guys have registered for it? If you guys have registered for it, you just post I registered Sanjay in a lecture, or you just post I am in Sanjay in a lecture. Because whenever you are registering for it, it is really showing that your commitment to learn something new. Okay, if you really don't want, it's up to you guys. Okay, you just try to explore anywhere else. It is not being provided in this agenda. You can compare our agenda with the people who are providing 799 rupees or 2,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees. Okay, you just see the agenda, what are this project you guys are learning from this 30 days. Okay, so is it provide a different internship certificate? Yes, it will provide different internship certificate, so that you are going to get 4 internship certificate. Nice session, Sanjay. Thank you so much, Anu. High speed pronunciation. I'm really sorry, Amit Kumar. I'm really sorry. Definitely, I'll try to go slow. Okay, so Monica, kindly end the session within the time frame. Guys, if you are really want me to end the time, or do you really want to? So there is a two option, guys. Number one option, you can stick with the time. Okay, within a 1 hour, how much value I've given, I'll also given. I'll also give to you. You can complete the session and you can leave the session. There is the second option where I'll try to add as much value I can on each and every daily basis. Will you stay or will you leave? Okay, that is my questions. So let us split those people. Okay, who are all want to learn, who are all want to focus on time. Okay, so let us see who is going to finish, who is going to choose what is option. Okay, will you stay? Will you leave? Okay, let us see who is going to give the answers, guys. Okay, just give your answers. Will you stay or will you leave? Okay, so for an example, tomorrow if I'm gonna add some bonus session, if I'm gonna take for, I won't take more than 2 hours, guys, because since it is a first day, we are about to cover a lot of sessions because we guys have covered about AI, data science and those steps, and then we just move on to chatbot creation, and then we just move on to deploying the chatbot. Right, so that is why we have taken this much time on the first day. It is usual thing which is happening on my past every sessions. So, but other than that, I'll stick with the time. But at some times, I really overwhelmed, or I really excited to give, or I really excited to share the knowledge to you guys. Okay, if it is if I'm really wanted to share, I'll take some more time to share it to you. So I think definitely it will be giving you a lot of benefit for you. So thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting that I'll stay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. Want to learn. Wonderful, guys. Okay, so I think you don't have any doubts. Okay, so today I'll end up the session. So if you guys have any questions, please hold on your question. I'm really sorry if I can't able to answer some of the questions. And don't forget to follow me, guys. My LinkedIn link, I'll give it in the live chat. Okay, or I'll ask my person, or I'll ask my people to give my LinkedIn in the live chat. So what you just do is, if you haven't followed me, you can also follow me through the LinkedIn. So my laptop, I can't able to post it here, I think. Okay, but I'll try to. Okay, so I give the link in the live chat. So if you really want to follow me, you just follow me through the LinkedIn. So if you really want to know about any other updates, so those stuff, please follow me. Don't forget to follow me. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And you just share your, give us more information by the warrior. The name is also really great. Warrior's Way. So thank you so much for giving the wonderful answer, wonderful reply. Thank you so much, guys. In how much time this internship can be done? It is up to you guys, because how much time you are spending on each and every daily basis. So it is up to you. Okay, how much faster you can able to complete it. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. How to make it voice assistance? Guys, in our internship, we guys have made as a voice assistant. We guys have integrated our chatbot with the Google Assistant so that you can ask from a voice as well. Okay, you can please try to do that from our internship. Okay, guys, and another main thing, don't forget to join our Telegram channel, because the people who are all only joining the internship in the Telegram channel, those people are going to get the materials. Please don't forget to join the Telegram channel, guys. And if you guys have any course related doubts, this 4-in-1 course doubts, or if you have our gold membership doubts, you can call our WhatsApp note this number 730-584-5758. And if you guys have any project or product related inquiries, please visit pantechsolutions.net. And if you guys haven't followed me, you can also follow me through the LinkedIn. Don't forget to follow me through the LinkedIn, guys. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the first day of the session, if you are going to attend this 30 days of the session, please stay till the end. Those people, so that you are going to get the lot of values. So, and another little bonus I'm going to give it to you. So another short bites today. So because today still now a lot of people are still here. So for those people, I really want to give some of the value. So that's why I'm telling you, guys. I really want to, now I don't have the graph. I forgot to where I kept, but I'll show that tomorrow. But I would like to tell that overview. There is a success graph. What is the success graph? Success graph will be looking like from this point to this. Okay, I can even draw, guys. Okay, I hope you really love to feel the value more. Or get the value more. If you really love to feel the value more, you just post love to Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, So guys, there is a success graph where where I would like to show that. For an example, okay, this is the success graph, guys. Okay, it may looking like a sinusoid, right? So whenever you are talking or whenever you are seeing this success graph, okay, so people used to in the beginning in this stage, okay, whenever people used to start in the first day, okay, so what people will think is they'll think like I can do it, okay, they'll think or they'll think like positive, okay, they'll completely they think like positive, so I can do it, okay. So likewise they people used to think, okay. So initial state, at the initial stage people used to think like I can do I can do so I can complete it, I can do as a handstand, I'm going to completely stay for this complete 30 days. So likewise people used to think, okay. So what is the thing is, whenever people used to go into the certain level, okay, so initially they'll think like this, as in the days going by people used to think the same, okay, so the people used to think the same in this point as well. But as the days going by, like whenever you are crossing the 5th day or 10th day, people used to think like, why I want to attend this, okay, why I want to attend this, why I want to complete it, why I want to do that, what do I getting money, okay. Likewise people used to get lot of doubts which is running in their mind, where people used to get demotivated, okay. So a lot of people will think like it is only happening for me, whenever I'm starting doing something I'm not completing it, I'm leaving it in intermediate way so how many of you people are like that? If you are like that, you just post I am Sanjay in your live chat, okay. So that is that kind of thoughts which is really running in their mind. So people used to get motivated. It is not happening in only for one of the people, it is happening for 90% of the people. So people used to get more demotivated at certain point of the time. It is not only about the course, guys, it is about every task which you are doing, okay. Whenever the difficulty level is little bit increasing, or whenever you are doing the same thing for some more time, you will feel demotivated. That is why the point where we are, okay, where people used to attend, okay, at the certain point of the time, but where nearly 60 to 70% of the people will leave, will give up. This is the very risky stage where people used to do the or we people used to give up, okay. People definitely will stop the work they are doing, okay. We should be very careful on the day, guys, okay. We should be very careful on the day, okay. We should not leave whenever we are started doing something, okay. We should not leave at the intermediate level, okay. And then we just want to, so if you are not giving up on the point, okay, whenever you are not giving up with the point at the certain level, okay, so whenever you are not giving up at the point, you at the certain level you will be attaining the next point where you are about to feel the more value, guys, okay. Whenever you will be getting little bit motivated, I can do this, I think I can do this, so likewise you'll be motivated further, and finally you will complete it, guys. So this is the universal success graph. Definitely I'll show that tomorrow. So don't give up at any point of time, okay. So even though at some session you are feeling demotivated, on the next session you just come up with as like it is the first day of the session, okay. Try to motivate yourself and try to come with each and every day, attend each and every day of the session. I'm having a huge plan on this complete 30 days. I'm about to give a lot of values to you on this 30 days. A lot of mindset is there, a lot of soft skills is there, a lot of tech news are there. I'm having really a huge plan. Don't give up, and there are some amazing gift which is also really waiting for on the upcoming session. So if you are going to stay like a warrior, you just post I am a warrior Sanjay in your live chat, okay. And don't forget one thing, always spread positive words, always use positive words. If you really don't like something, please don't spread negative words, just leave the session, okay. Always be positive, always be like a warrior, guys, okay. If you are positive, if you are a warrior, you just post I'm a warrior Sanjay in your live chat. So again I'm telling you, if you haven't registered for the course, please register for that, so that you are going to get that 4 courses at the price of 999 only today, because today around 11:45 we are going to close the link. So, and if you guys have any doubt, please call to this or WhatsApp to this number. And if you guys have any project related queries, please visit this website. And if you guys haven't followed me, please follow me through the LinkedIn. So I'll give the link in the live chat. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lot of people are posting that I'm a warrior, I'm a warrior, I'm a warrior. Thank you so much for your lovely support. Thank you so much for the people who stayed up to this 1 hour and 46 minutes. Especially I really thank to that people. Without any negativity, you guys have given lot of positive messages here, lot of support here. Thank you so much. Thank you once again. It's me Sanjay signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.